Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Sanitary. So I got a new elliptical, the ProForm150, and everything was set up. And if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're having the same frustrations and or problems that I've had. So I 100% want to do this video because I've gotten some help looking at various videos, so hopefully I can help you. So sorry about the poor lighting. As I get closer to the elliptical, I don't have lighting up there. It's in my garage right now, so bear with me, but I'll try to help as much as possible. So one unfortunate problem with this elliptical, you want to see it right there, I can't really see it that well, is in the manual they forgot one significant instruction. So when you have, okay, it's really hard to see it, but you gotta trust me on this. When you get it all set up and then you feel like you're good to go, and that's what I did, I started pedaling, I hit on, and the only message that I was getting was hello, that's it. I started pressing everything and nothing occurred. Now I just fixed this problem 10 minutes ago, so I can't really demonstrate exactly, but I'll tell you exactly what I did. So you may have to do two things. So if you look right here, it says iFit Sync. This is at the upper right hand corner of the elliptical. Most people, if you just, it doesn't say it in the manual, just hold it down, press it down for many seconds. Once you do that, it'll all light up and you're good to go. Unfortunately, with me, I did that, and if that solves your problem, you're good to go. But if it doesn't, that's the problem that I encountered. So what I did is I took it an extra step. I'm not sure if this is scientific, but it worked. I held it down for a good 15-20 seconds, and then I saw a light. As I saw it lit, I kept my finger held down. I got my butt on this, sorry for the socks with sandals. I got my feet on this pedal while keeping this held down, and I started just moving. And for whatever reason, when I did that and I let go, everything lit up and I saw the workout stuff, and that just, really made me happy, because I did not want to, as you can tell, I kept the box and everything. I didn't want to have to undo everything and then pay for shipping, and the customer service is another story. It's an absolute joke, if you want to call it that. So now when I just go on it, it's already set, see? So I am good to go. I can just hit manual, hit my resistance, hitting the resistance, and I'm good to go. So thank God. I mean, I was stressing out about this, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully you only have to just hold this down. And this probably also applies to, let me go over here. If you have a ProForm, any type of ProForm, because there's other videos out there on the ProForm treadmill, try the same concept, the same idea. If you have a Wi-Fi or an iFit sync button, just hold it down and then start in for a while and then see if that works. For the Pro 150 elliptical right here, it worked for me. And obviously make sure you got the proper batteries and everything, and you're good to go. So hopefully that was helpful, guys and gals, because when I look on YouTube, I get help from other people, so I'm always trying to help people out. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye.